guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening a HSN beauty bag. This was a gift with purchase and it is a $200 value. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, freak. The first thing out of here is the Winter Cranberry Shampoo. And my mom ordered this on HSN a few years ago and I really liked it. It also comes with a pump. This is a cleansing conditioner. So if I can remember correctly, because this was a long time ago when I used this, you're supposed to only use this, no shampoo, and you pump like 16 pumps of this onto your hand. Yes, so for 10 to 16 pumps for short hair, 16 to 24 pumps for medium hair, and 24 to 32 pumps for long hair. And this leaves your hair really smooth and really silky, so I'm happy that I got one of these. The next thing that's in the bag is a Derma Protect Daily Defense, and it is a primer and a sunscreen, and it blurs, primes, and perfects. So I can put this on before my makeup, or if I just want to do a no makeup look, I can still be protected by the sun, so I'm excited about this. The next thing is a superhero liner. I have been wanting to try this so bad because I have the superhero mascara and I love it. It is my favorite mascara of all times. So this is supposed to be 24-hour and it's supposed to be waterproof. And it gives you like 3 examples of just regular eyeliner, so I'm very excited about this. The next thing I got was Purity One Step Facial Cleanser. I love Purity. I don't think I've ever tried a cleanser from them, so I'm very excited to try this one. I got a Moroccan oil treatment. I actually just ran out of a full bottle of this and I love this. It's for all hair types and it makes my hair feel so smooth. I just put a little bit in my damp hair and I love this so much, and this is what it looks like. It is a body butter. So I got a huge bottle of this body butter and I really like the packaging. It has like little lavender plants on it, and then it has like writing, like French writing across it. So this is really cute. I really like this. It's not a very strong smell, and that's what I really like about this because I hate things that are overly fruity, overly like floral smells. So this is perfect. Let's get like feel for a tiny one. This is a little tiny brightening eye cream, so I will probably give this to my mom because I have too many eye creams to count. I'm excited about this one. This is an age-defying hydrating mask and it's Fruit Fusion I Love Mask, so I'm really excited about this one and I love the color. I don't know if this is open. No, dang it. I'm really picky about my fruity smells, but I'm excited to try this. The next thing in here is an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it's an anti-wrinkle day cream. I'm really excited to try this because I've seen Elemis before and it's really expensive, so I want to see what this one's about. This is so funny because my mom used to have these in her makeup bag all the time. It's the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. She used to have the blushes, and I don't know if y'all's moms have ever carried those, but this just reminds me of my mom because she used to always carry these around and I used to always want them when I was little. Next thing in here is a hand repair cream and it's for eczema, and I'm really excited because I actually have like a little bit of eczema. It usually breaks out in the spring when my skin is more on the drier side, so this is gonna come in handy. I got a magnet. I got a tongue scraper. That's kind of gross. For fresher breath, healthier teeth, and stronger gums. So it's just a little like plastic. I don't know if you can see. It's a little plastic strip that you scrape your tongue with. That sounds delightful. The last thing in here is the Jose Moran The Good Brow, and it's a fill and chill, and it looks like there's 2 parts to it. So there is a brow side and a highlighter side. So the highlighter side is very shiny, and it's like a peach color. It shapes and volumes, and then the highlights and lifts, and it's in medium deep, so I'm very excited about this too. It also came with this really cute reusable shopping bag, so I will be taking this when I go out and when I go grocery shopping. And that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!